Returning to wealthy coins, howdy everyone. Chairman of the Shiba Inu board issues last caution to all shareholders. Dog update. After a meteoric rise of 500,000% in a little over a year, Shiba Inu is still one of the most volatile cryptocurrencies on the market. The currency took full advantage of the meme coin craze and became wealthy for many investors. But for the last 12 months, Shiba Inu has been experiencing bleeding. Watch this video to hear the CEO of Shiba Inu's parting words of wisdom for all of us. A report from SHIB. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's get the video started. Over the past 8 trading days, the Shiba Inu price has risen over the 200-day moving average. At 62.32, Shiba Inu still stands. The fact that the RSI is rising indicates that SHIB is being bought by investors. Still, we should keep an eye out for the overbought zone in case a pullback is necessary. A symmetrical triangle has been the trading environment for SHIB. To avoid losing money that doesn't need to be lost, traders should hold off until the symmetrical triangle breaks out. If the price breaks out above the upper trend line, it might go as high as 0.00001016 USD. We anticipate that SHIB will trade over 0.00011016 USD if the upward momentum continues. On the other hand, a strong support zone for SHIB is located at $0.000817. A whopping 4 trillion Shiba Inu, or around $35 million USD, was transmitted by SHIB to an anonymous wallet for staking purposes, according to data from whale monitoring platform WhaleAlert. The developers of the Shibarium network recently revealed modifications, prompting Binance to take action. Layer 2 scaling solution launched by SHIB shortly, asserting that SHIB tokens will be burned with every transaction on the blockchain and that Bone Shiba Swap would serve as the official digital currency for running the system. As we mentioned in our earlier post, Bone is the gas token that Shibarium requires in order to function. Now, we formally declare that SHIB will be burned with every Shibarium transaction. In the days following Bone's official designation as the Shibarium network's crypto asset, its price increased by more than 30%, almost 30% higher on January 9. Bone price jumped from a weekly low of $0.916 on January 4 to $1.19. The cryptocurrency has now pulled back and is now trading at $1.14, with SHIB at $0.00009, a 3.6% decrease in the past day. Shibarium is advising traders to stay tuned for the protocol's beta debut, even though no official launch date has been announced. Right now, our main focus is on delivery. As the beta launch date draws near, we will be sure to provide you with more details. Changes that the Shiba Inu community has been waiting for are now on the way with Shibarium, the popular meme currency's Layer 2 upgrade. The developer team for Shibarium announced last week that the vital upgrade is in beta, and last week a snippet of code from the project was leaked on GitHub. The Shibarium bridge is supposedly going to employ the gas fee token Bone Shiba Swap for every transaction, and beta testers are currently looking at it. Twitter is going crazy over Shiba and Bone after a sneak peek at the much-anticipated Shibarium. The Shiba Inu community, often referred to as the Shib Army, resurrected the once popular Japanese guard dog-themed meme coin and produced more than 11,000 tweets. This follows the major announcement of a new collaboration by One Day, including an exclusive assortment of NFTs designed by Shiboshi. Bugatti Group, makers of high-end luggage and handbags, teamed up with Shiba Inu to throw a Twitter Spaces party. Guests could enter to win prizes, listen to live music, and get a unique mint of Shiboshi's ex-Bugatti GRP NFTs just for Shib Genesis NFT holders. Bone Shiba Swap surged 14.7% after developers announced a week ago that it will be the sole token used for transactions on Layer 2. But looking at the monthly perspective, Shiba Inu's Bone is looking much better, with 50.5% in the green. As a result, Bone Shiba Swap is now trading at $1.18 on CoinGecko, while the Gas V token for Shibarium has recovered its critical support level of $1. The bone of Shiba Inus has indeed climbed to levels not seen in 3 months, but it has a long way to go before it reaches the remarkable $15.50 level seen more than a year ago. At a VR Serra Expo in Austin, Texas, in March 2023, Shiba Inu, a meme coin with a canine motif and a rival to Dogecoin, will unveil the first feature or hub of their ecosystem's metaverse. Metaverse hubs are places where a lot happens, and they provide unique experiences based on various themes. The WHMI Temple is the first of 11 hubs in the Shiba ecosystem's metaverse that will give participants a taste of Shiba Inu's new offering. This year's SXSW-XR experience will take place in Austin, Texas, and the Shiba Inu team has been invited to exhibit. New investor and creative monetization options arise in Shiba Inu's metaverse, which hosts digital experiences and places where users can own and commercialize digital real estate. Participants will have the opportunity to immerse themselves in a metaverse reality that offers meditation, natural beauty, and spiritual connections in the WHMI Temple. The temple is called after the crypto rallying cry of "We're all going to make it." The user will be guided through the origins and development of the SHIB token, as well as its decentralized nature throughout the journey. Each hub offers unique attractions that may only be experienced in that hub, according to Shiba Inu Token's metaverse advisor Sherry Guano. The unifying factor is the wide range of digital or digital plus in-person uses, such as for activities, shopping, personalization, expression, events, learning, discovery, and more. Users of Shiba the Metaverse will have access to a variety of features, including the ability to create and manage their own projects, earn prizes, acquire in-game resources, and make passive money. The native token SHB might be about to see a bullish breakout due to the fast development of its metaverse and ecosystem. Speculation around the Shibarium update was heightened by a tweet sent by head developer Shitoshi Kusama on December 29. As a Layer 2 solution, Shibarium will increase the ecosystem's utility for Shiba Inus. New features, such as blockchain games and the Shiba Inu metaverse, will be available in the upgrade. These are the big changes that will take Shiba Inu out of its meme status and into the Web3 competition. Kusama tweeted that the launch of Shibarium might be imminent. Meeting with the Unification UND team about Shibarium gave the development hope, the developer said. It has been a pain for SHB due to the delays in the Shibarium update. Meanwhile, there has been no improvement in the latest results of the regular updates regarding Shibarium. The most recent report is encouraging, but investors are still wary because the SHB price is low. One of the most recent announcements revealed that hundreds of retailers will be able to accept Shiba Inu and 70 other cryptocurrencies, thanks to a new cooperation between CoinGate and Wix. The Shiba Inu meme coin is now available for purchase at these stores. The price of Shiba has been moving inside a falling wedge pattern since November 9. Price action began its present ascent on December 16 and 28, when it bounced off the wedge's support line. A bullish divergence in the Relative Strength Index (RSI) added credence to the rebound. Above all else, the RSI has risen above 50. The SHIB price emerged from the wedge on January 10. The highest price it has reached thus far is $0.0000968 USD. Assuming the current trend of price increases, the nearest level of resistance, formed by the 0.382 fib retracement, would be at $0.0000106. Finally, optimistic signals on both the weekly and daily time